Hello, my name is Timothy Cheek, and today I'll be showing an update for my capstone project for the first week in development month, first development month. So the first thing is I updated the credits and I adjusted how the scrolling worked so that it was more like other apps. So when you slide your finger up, it will scroll down, and if you slide your finger down, it scrolls up. And then if we go to UI, I display the new stats, some more stats for the unit that's selected, like your energy points and your agility. And then on unit side, I have added a type variable, so when the unit is created, if it's a ranged unit or a normal unit, it will set the right variables and everything, and also it will load in the right sprite for depending on the unit. And it'll set the attributes to the attribute needs. And then I added a dodge state so that I can have an animation for when the unit dodges. And also, for the different attributes, for agility, we're gonna see if this random number that's generated is less than or equal to the agility variable, and if so, the player unit dodges and there's no damage. If there is damage taken, you subtract defense from that, their defense from that, to get the actual how much we've taken from the health, and the strength will be for how much damage the unit causes. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, inside the when the level starts, depending on what level it will be, it will load the right music for it also, and just sets the volume, make sure the volume stays at the right level. And for the enemy, we have the same, where it has a type variable now, so depending on what type of enemy it is, we'll load the right sprite in. And then right here we have it where we find the closest player unit, and that's what the target will be for that enemy unit. And I've started working on the code to make it so the enemy unit can attack the right, can only attack within a certain range, and can also attack the diagonal grid squares. And then now I can play the music here because the clip of the actual game footage does not record sound, so you can hear the background music playing. And then if we go here, here's a live demo of the game. So we can go over. It also shows the input. This video showed the input when it's touched. You can see the scrolling is adjusted on credit screen, and it's been updated. If we go in, we can see we have a ranged unit and the melee unit. There are different sprites for the different units. Red units are enemy, and the others are the players. And the ranged unit can attack from a distance. And then on the left side of the screen, you can see the stats and the unit's name. And when all the enemy units are defeated, the player wins the game. Now, next week, I plan to add, finish the ranged unit up where they can attack from min and max range, and then set the, so when a player hits move attack, it'll show all available squares that they can do these actions from. It'll like change the grid color of them so they know which ones they can click. And then set it up so they can't click any of the outside of those available ones, so that they can't like jump 10 squares, and then the range of movement will be affected by their speed attribute. So if they have if their speed is 2, then they can move anywhere from 0 to 2 squares. And that is it. Thank you.